we have other big news we need to follow, and that, of course, is that we're just hours away from what is shaping up to be a serious snowstorm. Like Jeremy said just moments ago, our area is expected to get hit with several inches of snow overnight.
And schools all across the area are letting out early today and canceling classes and activities for tomorrow. We have full team coverage of the potential snowfall for our area. And 10 on your sides, Andy Fox is on the peninsula right now. Andy, how are officials in Hampton getting ready for the snowfall?
Well, they're beginning right here. This is Hampton Public Works. This is 2,300 tons of salt. And guess who produces this salt? That's right, Morton Salt, the same people who make your table salt. And we're here at Public Works, and this is kind of like the center of all the activity. You have Brian over here, and we've got Anthony over here. He's going to show you this is the salt that's coming down right here. And he's going to put it in this truck. And then that truck will go out and it will spread it on the roads of Hampton. And this is Robin McCormick, and she's a spokesperson for Hampton. We're going to get out of the way here.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Because this truck is now going to take off. What is the plan for Hampton?
So we have been spreading brine on the roads for about 2 days. These trucks are going to be dropping salt on the bridges and overpasses. You see, it also has a snow plow on the front, so after the snow starts falling, it'll go back out.
Right, this is one, and you have, how many, you said 70 trucks?
We have 70 vehicles total. Some are spreaders, some are snow plows, all kinds of different vehicles.
Right. How much preparation have you been doing before today?
Well, you know, it starts year round. They boat in, they bring in the salt by boat, and we store it for when we need it.
Here goes
we
another
make
truck.
Brine,
this is one of the 70. There's the brine, right?
You can see, yeah, that's a spreader. We're still putting brine down up until about 5 or 6 today, or until the snow starts falling. We got a little more pre-treating to do. We've been doing that for almost 48 hours now.
Wow. What are you all expecting? What's going on in the nerve center of Hampton?
Well, you know, we just keep adapting to the latest changes in the prediction. That snowfall total keeps growing, and we're trying to figure out how to cope, and the cold temperatures are going to cause some additional problems that we don't have with the normal snowfall.
What other preparations are being made? How far are the tentacles of this?
Well,
trickle down from top to bottom.
You know, the city manager is meeting. We've got an emergency operations center that's going to open at 6 o'clock tonight. We need to make sure that we are in touch with all city departments and seeing what's going on throughout the city.
All right, Robin McCormick at the center of all this activity. Let me just show you real quick where we are. This is Public Works down here. You got all the trucks here. You've got police, and actually earlier today when we showed up here, we actually had prisoners, inmates here in Hampton. They were even filling up barrels of that salt over there, and you see all the trucks right over here. Some of the 70 right here. They are ready in Hampton. I've also called Newport News. They're ready as well. My colleague Matt Gregory, he was up in Newport News yesterday. We're here in Hampton. We're going to be all over the peninsula, and guys, we're getting ready because it's really going to hit, and Hampton is prepared. You saw part of the activity going on here. It's happening all over Hampton. Back to you.
Thank you, Andy. And as we continue to follow this winter storm, make sure you stay with us right here on WAVY News 10. Team coverage on the winter storm begins half an hour early at 4 a.m. tomorrow. We have crews all over Hampton roads to bring you updates every half hour about what conditions look like outside.